Have you ever wondered what it takes to sell a house in Whitby, Ontario, and how do you do it quickly and profitably? Then this video is the right one for you. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Cody Sturgess. I'm a full-time realtor from the Durham region, Ontario, and with me, you can experience the difference. Whitby, Ontario is a charming town located on the north shore of Lake Ontario, and it's known for its rich history and diverse culture. Selling a house in the city can be a complicated process. That is unless you've watched this video, as today we're going to discuss how to sell a house in Whitby, Ontario. Stay tuned until the end as I have a bonus tip for you waiting. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting with number 7. Hire a real estate agent. The market of Whitby is lucrative, and without the help of a real estate agent, you will struggle to maximize the sale of your home. Besides, hiring a real estate agent is worth it because they have connections to more buyers through larger networks, handle negotiations professionally, and stick handle through problems for you and understand what needs to happen and why in order for your home to close. Agents save time and effort by managing staging, marketing, and the paperwork, leading to a quicker sale at better prices compared to selling on your own. But how do you choose the right agent? The rule of thumb is to make sure the agents are registered with the Real Estate Council of Ontario and in good standing like I am, and look for agents that have great references from multiple people. If you're going to interview a number of different agents like Rico suggests, make sure you can bring me in last so I can show you what you've been missing from all the other agents. The key is in the details and truly taking the time to understand what is important to you, not what I have to offer. Coming in at number 6, prepare the house for sale. Now that you've hired a real estate agent named Cody Sturgess, who knows the market exceptionally well, you can start preparing your house for sale. Yes, having a good real estate agent can not only help you set proper expectations and price, but also suggest ways that you can increase the price of your house. Remember, buyers make decisions based on emotion and justify with logic. Well, some of them justify with logic, others just don't have that skill. Having your home staged professionally and doing the value-add renovations beforehand will set your home apart from others that you're competing against. Now, moving on to number 5. Make the necessary repairs. Not just the aesthetics, but make sure all the bigger ticket items are in good working order, as most of the buyers will want you to warranty these on closing, and you'll need to disclose any material latent defects. Check for structural issues like cracking, and bring in the professionals where needed to repair things properly. Ensure all mechanical systems work well, like HVAC and plumbing. Fix any roof leaks or missing shingles. Check taps and switches and lights for functionality. Ensure all appliances are in good working order if included in the deal. Demonstrating good maintenance and pride of ownership can boost a buyer's confidence in your home and will enable them to bring their best offer forward without the worry of something being wrong or hidden with your house. Coming in at number 4, set the right price. Setting the right price for your Whitby, Ontario home is important if you want to sell it for top dollar. Start with learning what the local market is and your competition has been selling for. For instance, the medium home price in Whitby, Ontario is $1,153,238. Think about what makes your home special. Remember why you purchased it in the first place. Working with a realtor, they can give you a range that you should be able to list your home at and explain the data and comps to you clearly. The problem with many realtors nowadays is that they'll tell you what you want to hear, and then suddenly you're stuck in a contract that you can't get out of. This can be avoided by asking the right questions while you interview them and working with someone who isn't afraid to have the difficult conversations like me. If you're watching my videos, you already know my value and that I'm a market leader in video content creation. Moving on to number 3. Now, get your home listed. This is one of the biggest reasons why hiring a real estate agent for selling is crucial. Before your home is listed, and once it goes live on all the big channels like Realtor.ca, the marketing kicks in. Professional marketing is going to attract more buyers to your home. There are various types of marketing done to homes. Online marketing. If you work with me, you probably already know I'm one of only a handful of AI-powered realtors in the country. And what does that mean to you? It means I've mastered AI to market your home online, where a staggering 96% of people start their search for when they're looking for a new home, and I'm able to spend more time with you personally, all while other agents are still trying to figure out and struggling with how to use AI. Offline marketing. Market your house traditionally with open houses, print advertisements, direct mail campaigns, and signage in front of your property. The next way is professional marketing. I belong to a network of almost 36,000 agents in my professional network to find more buyers for your home. Also, be realistic about the current market and what it is telling everyone. Remember, you can only set the initial price once, and it's really important to get the right price, otherwise buyers think there's something wrong with your house, even if there isn't. Staging and professional photography. A well-staged home with professional photographs that are specifically designed to draw out emotion can significantly enhance the appeal to potential buyers. Coming in at number 2, negotiate and complete the sale. Whether you're holding an offer night or accepting offers anytime, I will help you when someone makes an offer on your house. I will talk to the buyer or the agent about the terms of the deal, including the price, closing dates, deposits, and the many conditions. If you work with me, I present every offer to you, and we will go over the pros and cons of every single offer. Remember, it's not always the highest price that is the best offer. We want to make sure that the deal closes and we protect your best interest. Once we discuss every offer, after that, you have 3 simple options. You can accept, you can decline, or you can counter the offer. When you make a counter offer, you might change the conditions or the pricing or the closing date, for example. Last but not least, number 1. Let's talk about the home closing process in Whitby, Ontario. Once we have negotiated all the conditions and pricing on your home, and after the conditions have been met and a notice of fulfillment has been sent to us to firm up the deal, the paperwork will be sent to your chosen lawyer, and they will run a title search amongst many other searches and be responsible for making sure the deal closes smoothly from here on out. Typically, the buyer will have a buyer's walkthrough to make sure that everything is in good working order, which is why we talked about how important this is at the start of the video. Typically, as the seller, you receive the proceeds of the sale the day of your home closes from the lawyer. Closing costs can range from property to property and lawyer to lawyer, but typically fall in the 1.5 to 4% range. And most buyers typically like to close between 30 and 90 days after the agreement of purchase and sale is signed. As promised, the bonus tip is understanding your target market. To make your home selling plan in Whitby, Ontario, you need to know who wants to buy and who wants to move to Whitby, including the types of people such as families, young professionals, upsizers, downsizers, professionals, and retirees. You need to keep up with the market trends such as the average house price and the number of days a house is on the market to figure out when to sell and how much to ask for your home. Think about the average price on the market and the types of people who might buy it. Focus on families and young professionals who are actively looking, as they are the majority of the home buying population in Whitby, Ontario. If this seems like a lot, then give me a call and I'll handle all of this for you. If you found any value in this video and you'd like to see more content, click on the boxes on the screen and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my other social media channels. Once again, my name is Cody Sturgess. I'm a full-time realtor from Durham Region, Ontario, and if you'd like to get in touch with me, my contact information is below. Thank you for watching. We'll see everyone in the next video, and remember to experience the difference with Cody Sturgess Realtor.